Hi everyone, welcome back to Travel with the Hamiltons. Today we are staying at Caribe Royale Orlando in one of their newly renovated Queen Suites. And if you are planning an Orlando trip and wondering, is this hotel actually worth the price? We will help you decide.
Today we're at Caribe Royale Resort in Orlando, Florida. Just arrived here. This is a really nice resort. Everything looks relatively brand new. Looks like it's recently been totally renovated. As you come in the door, there's a really nice kind of a sitting area with a TV, nice sofa that also has a sleeper bed in it. There's a nice desk area here, a nice refrigerator, nice Keurig 1-cup coffee machine. There's water. The water is for a fee. Looks like they're $7 each, which is kind of expensive. There's also a microwave in here, some cups and an ice container. Really big mirror here on the wall. And then going through into the bathroom area, there's a nice sink area with a mirror with the lighting around it. Shower. There's the body wash, conditioner, shampoo. Everything is really nice and new and modern. And then into the bed area. This is a suite which comes with 2 queen-size beds, another TV in the bed area. There is a really nice closet area also. Definitely has some decent closet space, nice wooden hangers. There's some extra bedding, extra pillow and blanket. I think that's for the front sitting area pull-out sofa bed. Typical ironing board, iron. And then also there's a luggage rack and a safe. Like most people, we always like to use the safe. Nice to lock up any valuables or passports, cameras, things like that while you're out and about. But definitely a decent amount of storage. This suite has a partial pool view. Can kind of get a pretty good view of the pool there. It is a really nice big heated pool. Does have a slide. And then also there's a area up above there where they have a DJ booth. So during the day, they actually have a DJ on site at the pool playing music. I think that goes from around 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily. There's also the kids splash pool area here, also with a kids playground. And then there's a 2-story gym, which is really nice. Definitely one of the nicer gyms that we've seen on site at a resort or a hotel.
So is Caribe Royale Orlando worth the price? If you value space, comfort, and that we are actually on vacation feeling, we would say yes, especially if you want something that feels more elevated than a standard hotel room and still be near Disney. If you enjoy luxury hotel tours and honest travel experiences, subscribe. There is more coming.